just scrolling on Roblox trying to look for some fun games, and then I came across a game called Don't Press That Button 4. This game, you wouldn't believe how much I love this game, bro. This was my childhood. And in today's video, we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button 4. And I'm gonna make 2 more videos, maybe even more, but one of them's gonna be for the floor is lava, so I'm gonna favorite that, so then I don't forget it. But in today's video, we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button 4. Let's get it. Okay, so just got into a game. Like, I used to play this game so much, but yeah, let's get to it. Figure out how to survive. Go, I need a person, Shoot. One's right here. One's right here. Yeah, okay. Repair the button. We win. I'm the helper, let's get it. The button has been repaired. I'm on computer. I clicked it. Let's go. Come on, so basically what we're gonna do is okay, so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of green real quick. So goodbye green. We never known you. Shoot! They're all getting my colors, bro. Jump. Yo. This guy is determined to get all of his colors at me. This guy is determined, bro. It's alright. I believe him. I wasn't even the winner for it, but it's okay. Choose a side. Gotta go with my favorite color. Blue. My lucky color, bro. Ooh. Okay, we gotta go green. This is dumb. Never mind. I'm not moving. I'm staying on green. I feel safe on green. I hate this game. I should've moved. I just should've. Find the button. Get to the other side. Not messing up. Dude. Oh, I made it to the other side. Let's go, bro. Come on, bro. There's only 2 more people. Come on, guys. 1 died. You're joking. Oh, she came back from the dead. Be the first to find the button and press it. Found it. Let's get it. Oh, I had to change my username because someone said I was hacking in Rivals. I don't know how, because all I was doing was using auto shoot because I was on mobile, because I kind of suck on computer. I'm just saying that right now, but I was just using auto shoot and they said I was hacking. Like, yo, it's a game mechanic. What do you mean? If it's hacking, why did they add it to the game then? Tell me that. How did you have a gun. I easily win. Oh, I win. I win this. There's just like I win this. Oh, 6. Domas lactos dreamers. Ain't those little toes from you, boy? I win. Where are the other people? Someone right here. I hate this game. I'ma make me go kaboom. I hate this game. I love this game. I will always love this game. I'm just watching this instance of a fight. I'm just eating pizza. Run. What do you mean by run? Is there a monster? I feel like something scary is gonna happen. I feel like if you stop running, you're going to die. Why do I feel like that? I don't know. People are stopped running. Yeah. Of course, someone got a magic carpet. Okay, so this is the only real one. It's this one. And it's the one in the middle. Winners. What do you mean by winners? Like, we obviously beat it. What do you mean by she's a winner? What do you mean? This game. Brother, someone paid this much for a flying carpet. Desperate. The hot thing of this. We'll get to water. What do you mean? I'm dead. There's just I was too far. I'm in water. What you mean? I'm safe, bro. I'm safe, gang. Look it. I got 42. 42. I'm too easy. Ha! Too easy, baby. No. I win. Me and him win. Oh, all of these people win. We're all winners. Let's get it. We're just waiting for everyone to deliver their pizza. Clicked. Are you lucky or unlucky? Have fun dying, bro. At least I didn't die, bro. Don't fall down into lava. What you mean? No! I hate this game. What am I doing? I'm an idiot. I'm dead. Never mind. Oh, no. Oh, no. They're spawning rapidly. Big Kid sold separately. Like, yeah. The Big Kid version of this toy sold separately. Yeah. Yo! 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 I'm going. Oh, I won. That was simple. How did they get up there? Oh, they probably died, not gonna lie. Reach the top. I'm an expert at this, bro. Imagine one spawns on me, bro. Hey, bro, this was easy. Y'all should go check this game out, bro. It's called Don't Press the Button 4, I think. I think that's what it's called. It's a really fun game, guys. Oh, also, if y'all got some good Roblox games that I should look and try out for a video, yo, just like send it in the comments of this video, or any video to be exact, and I'll play. I'll like pick a winner and I'll play the game. And also if you guys got a game idea that I should like play, like a game that, what am I saying, but a game that like you made, like a game that you physically went into Roblox Studio and started making. You can also send me the link to that game and I can play it on this channel for a video. Linda, bro, I'm so sorry. Shoot, I'm dead. Stay near light. Shoot, run. In here. I win. I don't win. Just stay right here and I easily win. I'm going. I win! Hot dog, I won, bro. Easy. We're gonna play 2 more mini games and we're gonna wrap this video up. Come on, guys, you got this, bro. Come on, you got this. You got this. Yes. All you guys got this. Oh my god, there's 2 more people. Nah, bro. How did that guy die, bro? Oh, let's go. Dear God. I really like this one. Oh, I win. I win. Hey, let's get it. Be careful, there are mines. I bet. I played these games before. Bro, I played these games before. Can't mess with me. Okay, we're gonna play one more game. Because I want to be the button presser. Button presser. Okay, I did it. Calolan, halalala. Guys, we win this. I'm winning this by default. You guys are dead. Nah, someone made it right there, bro. You're joking, bro. win, bro. Let's get it. Okay. I gotta show that I'm a button presser. Got to. I'm a button presser. Look at that. Look, you see myself right down there? I'm a button presser. Let's get it. It's so fun being the button presser in this game, bro. Come on, you guys. You got this, bro. If you fall, bro. I just pinched it for that bacon. I'm so sorry. Okay. Button presser. Okay. Watch out. Oh, shoot. We're gonna play this last mini game and then, yeah. Oh. That was easy. Okay. Like and subscribe. I hope y'all have a blessed day and peace. I'm out.